Hello, welcome to PhysQuest. So this is the solution video for GATE 2020 Physics question number 4. The question is, let A and A plus respectively denote the lowering and raising operators of a one-dimensional simple harmonic oscillator. Let N be the energy eigenstate of the simple harmonic oscillator. Given that N is also an eigenstate of A plus AA, the corresponding eigenvalue we need to find out. So 4 options are given and we need to choose the correct option. So let's get started. Now this question comes from the section quantum mechanics and the concept involved here is ladder operator. Now when we talk about any operator, its outcome is represented as eigenvalue and the state of the system is represented as eigenvector or eigenstate. Now when we talk about ladder operator, it is something which when operates on a quantum state, it either increases or decreases the eigenstate by 1 unit. Now based on this, there are two types of ladder operator. One is the lowering operator, also known as the annihilation operator, and the second is the raising operator, also known as the creation operator. In this case, we have the energy eigenstate N, and here A is the lowering operator which is given. Now when such type, the system here considered is one-dimensional simple harmonic oscillator. Now when such type of A, which is the lowering operator, when it operates on the state N, it will reduce or lower the eigenstate by 1 unit, thereby producing the state n-1 with the eigenvalue square root of n. Similarly, here the raising operator is given as A plus. Now it is when operated with the state n, it will increase the eigenstate by 1 unit, thereby producing the eigenstate n plus 1 with the eigenvalue square root of n plus 1. Now these are the two values or the two set of rules which we have to use to find out the question given. Now our question is, what would be the eigenvalue when the operator A plus AA when operates on the state n? So here we have to use these two relationship to find out the eigenvalue when this operator operates. So first of all, there are actually involvement of 4 operators, so there'll be it will operate one after another. So first of all, this lowering operator A will operate on the state n, thereby it will produce the state n-1 with the eigenvalue square root of n. Now we will bring the eigenvalue to one side, thereby this is n into A plus A n-1. Now next it will operate, the lowering operator A will operate on the eigenstate n-1. Now when this operator operates, it will produce the eigenvalue square root of n-1 with the eigenstate n-2. Again bring the eigenvalue to another one side. So next there will be raising operator A plus. So raising operator A plus now operates on the state n-2. Now when it operates on n-2, it will increase the state by plus 1. So here the outcome will be n square root of n-1 plus 1, n-2 plus 1. There will be, so eigenvalue will be square root of n-1 and the eigenstate will also increase by 1 unit, that is n-1. Next there is another raising operator. It will operate on the state n-1. Again it will produce the eigenvalue square root of n with the eigenstate raised to n. So ultimately we have got all the eigenvalues after operating the this operator given. So what we will do is we will make the product of it. So ultimately when we multiply all this, So the final eigenvalue will be n into n minus 1. Now let's check the options. So if you check the option, you can see that option A is matching with our result. So correct answer for this question is option